Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick look and some first impressions as we take our drone out the box. Let's have a look. We got a QR code right up top. You can scan that, get 24/7 assistance. That's pretty cool. Man, look at this thing. And that gold and black is sharp. Love it. Got our blades right here, the propellers. Very nice. There's your get that out. There's the remote. So we'll need, looks like double A's right there, is it? Nope, triple A's. 3 AAA batteries. There's some kind of prop. And check out this little pack we have here. It does come with the batteries, it looks like. So we got our user manual. Tells you everything you need to know. You get another QR code. That's for the extended warranty. Might be a good idea to look into that. Looks like these, one at a time, will plug into this little end right here. I'm going to get something to fish that out in just a moment. It looks like they plug into each other. We got it. Boom, there we go. You plug one end into the other end, and that's the battery. We're going to take this whole thing out here. So we'll get into the instructions, look at how to do that in just a moment. So we got some extra blades to work with. Just in case anything happens to the original ones, so you get 4 other blades here. Looks like we got some landers, so your device will land on these. Whole lot of pieces to look at. So there's some assembly right here. And altogether, some pretty good materials. This will open up the battery pack, so that's the tool we need to get inside this. And this, of course, will charge the batteries. And again, here it is. You get 2 in a pack. You get a backup battery to keep you going longer. And I'm getting excited. We're getting close. I want to try this out. And of course, batteries for the remote, so you're good to go. Right out of the box, you're good to go. And here's our user manual. So we're going to get into this, guys. We're going to get this thing together and give it its maiden voyage. Thanks for checking it out.
This is a very lightweight yet good, durable quality. Very sturdy. It's not cheap. Drone. It's awesome for beginners. Look at this. Because it's so easy to navigate. It does come with all of the, like the batteries for the remote. Super cool, easy to use. Easy to use power button. .3D flip. Like it's like simple for like younger kids. That's why I like it. It's not like so high tech. Perfect for my son who is 11 and my other son who's 13. They love this thing.